Unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth.
Wagwan me opinionated peeps. So people, it was somebody I sip on some black coffee this morning. I'm saying we have a coffee reasoning. Yeah, literally a coffee reasoning. But me not talk about the coffee where me a drink. Me talk about our pride and joy, our youngest pride and joy out of Jamaica. Koffee, we Grammy winner. As she, we are going to reasoning about. But me I go point out something to you. You know, so we as Jamaicans, we don't know how to appreciate we own and give people the time to enjoy them glory. We not like to see people successful and leave them to be successful. We always hear people say we have a crab in a barrel mentality. And the more life goes on and the more we realize say are true. Now make we take a look on this. So from Koffee come on the scene, Koffee has been delivering great music. From Koffee come on the scene, Koffee has just been entertaining her fans locally and internationally because Koffee, they're further than some talented artists where in Jamaica say talented, you know. I mean, I could just throw them under the bus and act like them not talented, you know. But Koffee reached further than some of the biggest artists them in Jamaica in a little short space of time where she reached them. You have some artists were in the business for decades and wish them could have get a Grammy. Koffee get it. Wanna notice that? Now what's the difference? Why Koffee can get a Grammy while some other artists in the business for decades can't get it? What do you need to think about that? Now the next thing we're going to point out. What we're supposed to pay attention to? The message where Koffee bring in our music or the way our Koffee dress. Which one we're supposed to pay attention to? What are we supposed to be enjoying Koffee for? The way how she deliver our music or the way how she attire herself? Answer the question there for me. Because it seems like some people out there, and when I say some people, I am talking about Jamaicans. It seems as if we as Jamaicans, we are more in tune with the way our Koffee dress more than the way how she deliver our music, the way how our music resonate with some way. From Koffee come on the scene, all she has been singing is positivity. Me not hear a negative song from Koffee yet. She forward, but yet still, Jamaicans out there are troller. Jamaicans out there are talk about how she dress. Jamaicans out there are talk about who she did with, in which me personally to this day have not heard Koffee mention nothing about her being involved with anybody. Now, one thing I can say is Koffee is a humble young lady. Because from she come on the scene, Koffee has expressed humbleness. See? And clearly this is the way, as a result of the way our mother raised her for be. Because our mother, as Koffee said on many interviews, Koffee said our mother is our inspiration. Our mother is the one where is our backbone. Our mother is the one who made her who she is. And our mother is a humble Christian lady, as we can see and as we hear Koffee say over and repeatedly. So why is it that some people feel as if because Koffee don't go out and dress skimpy, because Koffee don't go out and skin out on stage, because Koffee don't wear short up skirt and tight up blouse, why is it that you, yes you, feel like it is your duty to troll her and say all kind of negative things about her? Answer that for me. Now the next question. You have some people on social media who call themselves vloggers. I'm going to say this here because just yesterday, and that is what prompted me to come and address this. You have some people on social media who call themselves vloggers, who instead of spreading positivity, them quick for jump and spread negativity. Sometimes when you can spread some positive information too. I have never seen, as like I said before, never seen or heard Koffee come and address anything about any dating any female or dating any males. I personally, may not say it never happened, but this is me personally saying I have never heard it or I've never seen it. Yet still, some people who call themselves vloggers on social media are talk about Koffee expose her girlfriend. Where did you get that information from? Where? This video is not about to highlight any kind of vlogger or throw any vlogger under the bus, but I'm just pointing out that some of you need to stop from spreading negativity and start focus on some positive things too, because the young lady is doing some greatness. You know, so when Koffee win the Grammy, me not see some of you highlight the fact that she win the Grammy as much as you highlight the negative things about Koffee. Some of you who highlight the negative, me say you highlight when she win the Grammy. Me say you get as excited as you get when she win the Grammy. Right? But you get excited for chat about, yo, Koffee expose her girlfriend. Yo, why Koffee always wear pants? Yo, why Koffee can dress like a girl? Come on, man. At the end of the day, the young lady is living her best life while some of you are lying and shit. That is my opinion. Someone no wish you could have lived the life where Koffee live right now. Koffee has achieved way more than some of the biggest artists them in a Jamaica, or so them call themselves the biggest artists them. Me see Koffee with the Prime Minister, not that this is anything for really rejoice over, but you know how much artists in a Jamaica wish them could have get the Prime Minister and the opposition leader to invite them a Jamaica house. You know how much of them wish them could have achieved that. Enough artists in a dancehall for decades never even put them foot on the staircase at Jamaica house, but a young little girl forward and do it. Enough artists in a dancehall never ever got nominated for a Grammy. Young little girl forward and do it. Enough artists in a dancehall or even reggae wish them coulda hear them name mentioned in a certain countries where them can't even pronounce the name. But a little girl when name Koffee forward and do it. So why is it that you can't just allow the girl to do what she do best, which is produce good music? Everybody can't be a skin out artist. Everybody can't be a vulgar artist. You have to have somebody way forward and spread a positive message to. But you see, because I know the whole I wanna like positivity, you know I got tear down the positive when it forward. And that's the problem. Koffee is doing a great job. I'm proud of Koffee. Koffee is delivering the message in the way how she's supposed to deliver it, and me and others out there proud of Koffee. When I look on her mother face, when her mother sit down in front of the Prime Minister, the first thought will come to my mind is, yo, her mother most proud of her if you know say her little daughter allow her, see it, for rub shoulders with the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Her little daughter open up whole heap of doors for her. Her mother must feel proud when she look back on that. So at the end of the day, me I want on Jamaicans. A time for you start to appreciate on people. A time for you stop showing on people under the bus. A time for you stop with this crab in a barrel mentality and appreciate we own. Because me I go point this out to you again. We see a man, and this is how hypocritical we are. We see a man, we sit down and we listen to the rap artists them. I sing them songs, and some of the things them where them talk about now the songs, we wouldn't agree with it, you know. But we dead here, we sit down and we rock to it and we dance to it, knowing where some of the things them where them are saying at the songs, we would have burn out. We see one sit down and we rock and we dance and we sing the songs them where the rap artists them sing, knowing that the kind of lifestyle where them are live, we know, you know. But yet still we burn out we own artists without even knowing if that is truly her lifestyle. Right? We burn our out feet, but we will entertain and listen to the international artists where I sing certain things and I live a certain lifestyle and we dance to it and say, yo, the rap artists, they're bad. But we burn out we own without even having any kind of facts or proof or physical evidence of whether or not that is the kind of lifestyle she live. And even if that is the lifestyle she live, so what? Allow the young lady to live her life. The music is what you're supposed to be gravitating to, not what she do behind closed doors. But somehow we just too like any and every little thing to tear down people. So the simplest thing you can find, which is you can't find nothing else dirty pan Koffee, so you're going to use the way how she dress to tear her down. You see how narrow-minded and small-minded you is? You can't find nothing else for use to tear her down. Because she does not, apparently, she does not have a dirty lifestyle. She does not have any kind of past where we can use to say, yo, we are going to use this and troll her and drag her in the mud. And if you could have discovered something from Koffee, me guarantee it, the whole of you would have run with it and try to throw her under the bus. So me I go say this again. The time we only can take for love of the international artists them, we are freak out themselves. Right? The rap artists them we are freak out themselves and I wear all kind of female clothes and I talk about that is style. But yet still you dance to them music and you love of them music. The time you take for appreciate them kind of music and appreciate them kind of artists there. How about you appreciate your own fair change? That is what me I say. Koffee, this is Unstoppable's message to you. You have done greater things than many of Jamaica's artists have done before. We're proud of you. Continue doing it. And no matter what, no make nobody stop you. And we know them can't stop you because one thing I love about your coffee, you don't pay attention to them and them negativity. You just ignore them. And I applaud you for that. This is my opinion, people. Unstoppable's opinion. Talk to me down in the comment section and let me know if you don't agree with me. I go and enjoy my coffee.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.